Santa, with Rudolph at his sleigh, flies over Singapore. His elves busy distributing gifts in India. Santa and his team is seen giving cheers when they landed in China. Santa and his team finishes visiting homes in America. After a night of wonder, Santa returns to his home in North Pole. But the magic isn't over yet. Let's have a post-Christmas celebration. Imagine a gathering where myths and legends come alive. With one wave, Santa creates a travel portal where all his friends would use to visit him. Princess Lyra steps through a portal. The phoenix flutters in, each arrival more breathtaking than the last. From decorating with ornaments of every imagination to building a snowman that brings them together. Each moment is a stitch in the fabric of friendship. As they share tales and treats, a new tradition is born, one that unites hearts in the true spirit of Christmas. Join us in this unforgettable journey where every corner of imagination celebrates the magic of Christmas. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more enchanting stories. Wishing everyone young and old a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Story Myth.